Hi, I'm Wendy Gardiner. I'm going to show how to use this press snap tool with the small snaps. The press snap tool is ideal for attaching your fashion snaps. And the lovely thing about this is on the back are the full instructions on how to use it. But I'm also going to show you just to make it really easy. So the snap is made up of 4 parts. That's the outer top, and that bit goes on top of that, and then you've got the male, and that's the spikes holding that in place. So I'm going to start with the male pieces. Just set these 2 aside for a minute and push the spikes through from the reverse. And if you use the end of the tool, push it down into the middle of those spikes, and that just helps get the spikes through the fabric. Then you pop the male piece on top, and you see on the tool you've got an inner indentation here. That sits on top of the popper there, and then 2 or 3 bangs with the hammer to hammer those 2 pieces together. And that's now nicely attached, ready to have its partner. So again, I'm going to push the spikes through the fabric and then use the tool to help bring those spikes through. And once they're through, I'm going to put the other half on top. And you will see on this, there's a sort of raggedy edge on the inside, and that's where the spikes are going to come up through. So lay that on top. On the underside there's a groove for the spikes to sit into. And then again on the tool you have an inner ring, so that sits on top, and 2 or 3 whacks with the hammer to hammer them together. I'm going to do a couple more just to be sure. So we now have the other half done. And you put them together and you want to hear that lovely snap. I'm just going to show you a couple of other examples of the snaps in place. Here are a couple of examples using that press snap tool. This is a snap that I've added to just an easy shopper bag, keep things nice and tidy. And here I have a gardener's apron with a big pocket. So again, I've added a snap so that you can keep everything secure in there, even when you're bending down or weeding or whatever. .com/Hemline International. And also, most of the products we've shown have extra colours or extra sizes. So to see more, go to www.hemline.com.